am very happy your case was thrown out. How Supreme Court judge nominee mocked Afenyo-Markin. Sa comedy na Afenyo-Markin. Parliament time I moved in was yesterday I was in Parliament House, yes. And ran more Parliament House. Kokoshia will be. Now I was expecting some who will be to Afenyo-Markin. Now come on, Yachino. Got the police really was I was in Parliament House yesterday and I saw somebody like Honorable Judge and I saw Honorable MP for Kintampono of Jakala, and I saw Honorable Xavier Sosu, Medina MP. They are very nice people. Yesterday, I was Parliament House. Now me born by say me want Afenyo-Markin. Na ma bisan say aden na ke asemba wonya butren kasa yo tietia musa. I just need an answer from him in an interview form. Kobe answer me nicely. Now yanko munim say President John Dramani Mahama wa nominate some judges say omunko Supreme Court. Na saba paya order unsa left so menim say ba left and right so. Papaya oye black order on screen so oni Afenyo-Markin no. Oye part of side judges no. Na Afenyo-Markin na oka vetting committee no. And the vetting ni koso no na Afenyo-Markin peso ye de otwi judge na so otwi friends judge na so because some years ago Afenyo-Markin the case be call ye man able to ye one real man ntini wofu he wanted to capitalize on that and say so or your political judge na Mahama appointing to Supreme Court. And a judge in so responding by telling Afenyo-Markin say oh you happy say you true the case in some years ago. Now this is the details on it. Justice Philip Bright-Mensah, and it didn't Justice Philip Bright-Mensah, one of the 7 Supreme Court nominees, took a subtle swipe at Alexander Kwame Afenyo-Markin, the ranking member of the Appointed Committee of Parliament, during his vetting on Tuesday, 17 June 2025. Afenyo-Markin, the minority leader of Parliament and member of Parliament for Efutu, had questioned Justice Bright-Mensah over a ruling he delivered at the Court of Appeal, which dismissed one of Afenyo-Markin's appeals. In the Afenyo-Markin case, and order a 7 court appeals court. So munko ruling man. Now all the case go to appeals court no mubo to buye. This was the judge. And to the one about Parliament, vetinasi, ebeka. The minority leader urged that his client's human rights had been violated and described the dismissals at both the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court as overly harsh. I consider it as a missed opportunity for the judiciary to have exercised judicial leadership to protect fundamental human rights because on the fact it was obvious the man had not been tried. He was not even on notice, yet he was affected by time constraints and could not apply. Equity will not operate in his favor in that instance. My lord, in the present circumstances, how will you advise the court's approach? Interpretation with this in mind, he asked. Justice Bright-Mensah began his response by expressing satisfaction that the Supreme Court upheld his decision by dismissing Afenyo-Markin's challenge. I am very happy that my decision was affirmed. And when you went to the Supreme Court, you were also overthrown. The judge remarked with chuckle. Addressing the substance of the question, he added, you see, judges do justice according to the law. We don't do justice based on emotions. The court you approached was not a human rights court, and you were not raising human rights issues. Equity follows the law. And the human rights case, you know, now Afenyo-Markin the Akwa Appeals Court. And a judge in say, who the Akwa Appeals Court, I'm a my ya overthrow case now. Who the Aba Appeals Court now abano, and ye human rights court. It is appeals court. So why do you and even Udi Asamno Krano, Udi Bayano? Now you were not even raising human rights issues. The equity follows the law. to so why born ben. You see, this Afenyo-Markin guy is like, say, you see, asem sia, and I say, or the case quarter. Na say ye rule case no na ekotiana. This is how he will react. Yes. Na say ekona favor mo no problem. Let me tell you something. Very soon. Somebody like Afenyo-Markin and in Crawford no more parliament no. They will start saying say the Supreme Court is being biased. They will start saying say the Supreme Court is ruling for NDC. They will start saying say the Supreme Court is working for the NDC party. Very soon they will start. You know why? President Mahama promised say, "O share our judiciary na, your judiciary no court na bad time and the Supreme Court. Senior man penyi dada na na do asia parking in Crawford agu no. Very bad. Senior man penyi na do asia parking in Crawford agu no. It is enye fair. Air time." And the President Mahama said, "Me sack you I will not sack any judge there, but I will make sure that I push other people to balance it." Then one go to say, judiciary na go MPP from one. Me say 80% of judges or muya adwuma Supreme Court na na do na appoint o mu nyina MPP judges. Ebinum wo party card. I'm being honest. 80% of the judges at the Supreme Court today, President Mahama and Sakiomu, or the Biba Begumu, 80% of them MPP judges. Do you know, say, in the history of Ghana, NDC appointee only one Supreme Court judge. One Supreme Court, one Chief Justice. Chief Justice Ayanyo Muninano, or Munina MPP Chief Justice. Including Theodora Wood, no MPP, before an appointee. Most of the time, it's got Chief Justice unity because Mills be two Theodora Wood, Mahama be two Theodora Wood, one permanent, on one be called pension. But how the MPP no mu use to kuno, SC ye and Yama Bonino, it is good they will sack Tokuru because so man sack it Tokuna, a dear Tokuru be yeno, a bad time. I will cry to me prosecute any Pavako. And they will start saying this all because. And this force was so much of wire the alcohol just to balance it. They will start speaking against it. And that is why he's doing this. And the vet now, of course, now he vetted the nominees of Supreme Court judges, and one sem and a abano, and one sem onion.